basically inducing us one day, and it was just sort of there, and one of the guys looked up and said, "Have you seen this?" He's just come in, and I sort of sat down with him and went through it all, and we gave it a go. Hours. A lot of time. Saves a lot of time. It's a lot quicker. Not necessarily of the time factor to put the package together, it's waiting for the suppliers to come back with phone calls with prices. That was a lot of the time, chasing the prices for the certain materials to put the quote together, or waiting for some contract prices to come in. Whereas with the software, you just load their rates on and it's already there, so you know. Whereas before, it was sort of a case of waiting for everyone else to come back to you to put it together. With the software, it's easier. I've rang them up a couple of times, customer services, never a problem. Never a problem. Always friendly advice is always there. You always ask for something, you always return what you need. Never ever had a problem with it. I think it has in time, yeah. It has.